Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. If you're looking for forex robots, forex systems, indicators and stuff like that, there are two links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and go through them and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. By the way, before we get into today's video, okay, so I've been away for a few days. I told you that I'm not just trading forex, I'm also expanding and investing into other things, so that's why I have been quiet for a few days. But yeah, hopefully maybe I will review some of the things as we go along. Don't just blow the monies that you're making forex, invest in other things. Oh yeah, I came back and found that Uncle P Super Easy Forex got YouTube to take down one of my videos whilst I was away. The video showed you how to basically create the triple arrow system using freely available indicators that are free on the internet, so they are not basically his own indicators, and yet he still gets YouTube to take down the video. Desperation, that's what I thought about it. Desperation. It's not his system, it's not his indicators, and still he claims copyright on it. Desperation. I don't know if taking down the video is going to stop people who are actually sharing his system in forums, in Telegram groups, everywhere. So yeah, I don't know. But anyway, I don't want to get into that now. Today, I just want to talk about some of the little changes that you can make to your forex trading that can greatly improve the amount of money that you get out of your trades. First of all, let's look into the things you are doing wrong. For example, I've seen people, let's take a random wild example. Let's say a person thinks USD is going to continue buying from here. You find that the person buys from there and they buy again here, and they buy again here, and they buy again here. They continue buying as the market drops. Now, many people do this. When the person is wrong, you find that they are staking trades upon trades, which is the wrong way of doing things. And when they are correct, say they managed to sell from there, you find that they have only one trade that they are probably watching all the way down. How about you switch from staking wrong trades to actually staking your winning trades? You sold there and the market gave you another opportunity there, you sell again, probably take some of that profit out, and the market bounded there, you sold again, gave you another opportunity to sell again. You basically staking your winning trades. Most of you are staking the losing trades and you blow your accounts. But if you could switch your mentality and stake the winning trades, don't just let a winning trade go just by itself. Look for more opportunities to build on that trade and make more money. That some of you are self-sabotaging yourself because you cannot move away from your charts. I previously said that's why I usually love trading the higher time frames, because for example, I can sell there and I can set my alerts to when price is around there. That's the only time I can come back and look at my charts. Some of you sell there because you are too worried, or maybe you're not confident with your sell, you're not confident with your trade, maybe you're not confident with your strategy. You sell there, or let's say you sold there, and when the candle closes here, you close your trade and you let all of this go without you. People do this all the time. The reason is, most of the time people cannot move away from the charts. They just want to micromanage the trades. My advice is, if you spot your setup there and you enter a trade, if you place your stop loss somewhere there or whatever you placed your stop loss, and then perhaps you placed your take profit somewhere there, or you did not, that's it. Move away from your charts and let the market do what the market does. There are two basic things that are going to happen. Either your stop loss is going to be hit, or your TP is going to be hit. That's the only two outcomes in Forex. Place your trades and learn to be confident to move away. Don't interfere with your trades. You are self-sabotaging yourself by interfering with the trades. Then let's talk about the other thing. Definitely, I know I'm always posting indicators, I'm always posting Forex robots and systems and things like that. It does not always mean that I use all of them. Many of them I'm posting because you guys requested them. So there's another thing that some of you guys are doing that will not make you profitable in Forex trading, because you are not consistent. You are always jumping from one indicator to the next, from one Forex robot to the next, from one Forex system to the next, from one Forex strategy to the next. There is no consistency there. Of course, after testing a particular system or Forex robot or strategy and it's not working out, then in that case you can definitely look for another thing. But some of you probably use an indicator or use a Forex robot or Forex system, and you make 10 consecutive good trades. You win 10 times. On the 11th time, you lose a single trade, or you lose maybe 2 or 3 trades after winning 10, and then you suddenly trash that system. I'm going to tell you this: there is no holy grail system in the world. If there was, many people would be billionaires in Forex by now. Forget about the social media marketing, forget about everyone who is selling their robot, selling their system, selling their indicator and stuff like that. They just want your money. Basically, they just want your money. So they will tell you that their Forex robot doesn't take losses, doesn't do this, doesn't do that. Trust me, you will take losses with that system. So stop from hopping from one system to the next, from another system to the next. Understand that every robot, every system out there, every indicator out there will take wins and will take losses. You just have to minimize the amount of losses that you're going to take with that system, and make sure that you understand the conditions that it actually operates in better. Some of the robots, they love to trade trends. Some of them, they are good with consolidation. Understand the environment where you can best use that tool. So stop hopping from one system to the next, from one robot to the next, from one this to the next, only because you took a small loss. If it's a big loss, I understand, but if it's a small loss, yeah, understand that no system is going to be winning 100%. So yeah, leave comments in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what you guys think. But yeah, those are the points that I had for you today. Like this video, subscribe. Until next time, bye.